Have you ever wondered if you're just a temporary fix in her life? A stand-in until someone better comes along? If these 3 signs hit home, it's time to wake up. This is not just another dating talk. This is the mind of a king. Let's talk about something every man deserves to know. Are you a placeholder guy? Now, a placeholder guy is a guy that a woman dates for the meantime until the kind of guy that she really wants come into her life, or the kind of guy that she stays with because she doesn't want to be lonely, or because she's gaining something from you that she cannot provide for herself, or that no other man can provide for her at that particular point in her life. It's the one she dates for now. Not because she sees a future, but because he fills a gap. That gap could be emotional, financial, or just the fear of being alone. Either way, you're not the destination, you're the detour. Today I'll show you 3 clear signs that you're in that situation. And more importantly, I'll show you what to do about it. Stay with me. Sign number 1, she doesn't show you off. If you're dating someone and she's not talking about you to her friends, never posts a picture with you, and hasn't even hinted at you to her family, that's a big red flag. Why? Because when a woman is truly proud of a man, she doesn't hide him. She integrates him into her world. What it really means, she's not emotionally invested. She's uncertain, or worse, embarrassed to claim you. Here's the solution. Talk to her. Ask, why haven't I met your people? Don't accuse, observe her reaction. If she gives vague excuses or avoids the topic consistently, take note. You deserve someone who's proud to be seen with you. Sign number 2, she doesn't give you time or attention. Genuine affection shows up in how someone chooses to spend their time. If she's always busy, barely texts back, cancels dates, or seems distracted when you're together, it's because her heart isn't in it. A woman can't force herself to love someone. When it's real, attention becomes effortless. Here's the solution. Stop chasing. If she's not matching your energy, fall back. Let her feel your absence. A woman who truly values you won't let you slip away in silence. Sign number 3, her love shows up only when she needs something. This one stings. If the only time she's sweet, romantic, or even emotionally present is right before or right after she asks you for something, bro, you're being played. Could be money, favors, emotional support. Whatever it is, she's using affection like currency. What's happening? She's performing love. It's not real. Strategic. Here's the solution. Set boundaries. Start saying no. Watch what happens when you stop providing. If the affection disappears with it, you have your answer. Don't fall for emotional manipulation disguised as intimacy. Listen, king, being a placeholder doesn't mean you're not valuable. It means you've allowed yourself to accept crumbs when you deserve the whole cake. You've got to respect yourself enough to walk away from any situation where you're not celebrated. Build yourself. Understand women. Don't just be a good man, be a complete man. Because in the end, you are a king. This is Mind of a King. If this video hit home, don't keep it to yourself. Subscribe to our channel for more empowering content like this. Share this video with a brother who needs to hear the truth. See you in the next one, King.